What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Giving Girls Cocaine by Lil Peep and Lil Tracy. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay, you guys, this song is in standard drop D tuning, which means you're normally in E standard with your guitar. You're gonna be in that exact same tuning. You're just gonna tune your low E string down to a D note. It's one step down. It should be an octave lower than your D string, your third string. Now, in the intro to the song, I played this much slower than it's played in the original song because this is pretty difficult, and I don't know why, because it's very simple, but I was having a hell of a time trying to play this for some reason. So the intro to this is slowed way down. I'm going to show you how to play it exactly, and I'm going to have the guitar tab for you as well in the video description, so if you need that, jump into the description once you get done. You can download the guitar tab there. You're only picking two strings, just your low D and your A. You're starting by barring the first fret on those two strings with your index finger, and then put your middle finger on the second fret on the A string, and you're alternate picking through all of this, so it's just going to be D, A, 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 D, A throughout all of it. The only thing that's changing is your left hand. So you're picking D, A 3 times, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to take that middle finger off to where you're picking D, A both just on the first fret. So 1, 2, 3, and then you're going 5 more times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the easiest way that I found to do this is use your ring finger to go to the 4th fret on the low D and your pinky finger to go to the 4th fret on the A. Do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 times, D, A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then slide your ring finger down to the 3rd fret, put your index finger on the 1st fret of the A, and pick 1, 2, and then slide that index finger up to the 2nd fret on the A string and pick 3, 4. And then it starts all over. So slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One will win a guitar accessories kit that's got a capo, guitar straps, strings, picks, everything you need in there as a beginner guitarist. And the second winner is going to win a free Billy Schultz Music t-shirt from my merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. All that you have to do to enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn notifications notifications on and leave a comment on this video with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the announcement of the monthly prize giveaways, and then once I hit 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to live stream the announcement for that as well. And to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys on Instagram, on YouTube, liking, commenting, it doesn't matter on what platform it is, that's just going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. So again, to enter all the giveaways, like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications so you get the notification for the live streams, and leave a comment on any of the videos with a song you would like me to teach you on guitar. Also, make sure you're checking the descriptions for all the videos because I got a lot of really useful links down there for you guys. The free ebook, Master the Guitar in 7 Days, will always be down there. The guitar tab for any of the videos will be down there. All my personal information is in there, my Instagram, my socials, my email address. Thank you guys again. I really can't say it enough. Your support has been incredible. I can't wait to give away next month's giveaways, and I can't wait to give away this acoustic guitar. Again, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them in the comment section below. Shoot me an email, DM me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. Those are the easiest ways to get in touch with me. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. We'll see you guys in the next video.